Hi there everyone, we're back with this beautiful recipe, Imperial red shrimps. We just have to clean the prawns, peeling the tail off, so everything is coming out, even the black stain they have in. If you're doing it with your hand, just squeeze a little bit the tail, so everything comes out. I'd always get right back up, never worry, 'cause I got. Now we have to clean the red shrimps using the same method. So just squeeze a little bit and everything is coming out. Using a knife, you can even open it just halfway, so you can take out the stain. So now in the pan, olive oil and garlic and anchois. Add the red shrimps with their heads, so everything goes tasty, more tasty. Let's take them off. They don't need more than 2 minutes. Add the prawns and let's cook them. After that, with a splash of wine, we just have to stir it a little bit, and let's bring in the pasta. I cooked my spaghetti al dente, how we say here in Italy. So let's finish with the parsley, some olive oil and chili if you like some spices, Anyway, there's a great dish. Buon appetito!